Hello and welcome to Gold Tide IAS Academy. Our today's session will be totally dedicated to map-based question. So now let me start it. Here our question number 1. If the straight horizontal line drawn through Caspian Sea, which of the following sea or region it will never cut? Right here we have to focus on it will never cut. So we have location first Mediterranean Sea, second Red Sea, third Black Sea, fourth Yellow Sea. Here we will have to find out which of the above statement is our correct one, right? So before we tackle this question, we must require the knowledge on Caspian Sea, where it is located. So here in the map, as we can see that Caspian Sea is located over here, and if we draw any horizontal line which pass through the Caspian Sea, for example here we draw the one line which pass through the Caspian Sea, then it will cut Mediterranean Sea, here it will cut Black Sea, and here it will cut Yellow Sea. It will never cut Red Sea and Persian Gulf, right? Hence we can say our final answer for this question will be D, that Red Sea, it will never cut Red Sea, right? Now let me have a look into question number 2. Question 2. Which of the following is nearest to Tropic of Cancer? First, Luzon Strait, second, Java Sea, third, Caspian Sea, and fourth, North Sea. Now here, if you do not know which location is close to Tropic of Cancer, then you can also solve this question by applying your partial knowledge. For example, we already know that Tropic of Cancer passed through India, right? So here it is our India, and Tropic of Cancer passed through India. So here we need to find out the location which is close to this line. We already know that Philippines is located close to here, right? Then here we have Indonesia, Caspian Sea is located here. Then we have North Sea, which is located close to England and France. So here it is a North Sea. So we already know, if you know that Luzon Strait is close to Philippines, which is over here, then you can easily reach to your final answer, that our final answer for question is Luzon Strait, because Luzon Strait is close to Tropic of Cancer. Now let me have a look into map. Here we can see that here we have Tropic of Cancer, here we have equator, right? Equator is close to Java Sea, and here we have Luzon Strait, which is close to Tropic of Cancer. Here we have Caspian Sea, and here we have North Sea. So final answer for this question will be A, that is Luzon Strait is close to Tropic of Cancer. Now question number 3. Question 3. Consider the following pair. First, Guyana Highland, Africa. Second, Greater Antilles, Atlantic Ocean. Third, Rocky Mountain, North America. Here we will have to find out which of the above pair is our correct one. Option A, 1 only. B, 2 and 3. C, 3 only. D, 1 and 2. Now let me have a look into map. Here as we can see that Rocky Mountain is located on western side of North American continent, and on eastern side we have Appalachian Mountain. Then we have Greater Antilles, which is located in Caribbean Sea. Then we have Guyana Highland, which is located on north part of South American continent, right? So our final answer for this question will be C, that is 3 only. Here our second statement, that is incorrect one, because Greater Antilles is located in Caribbean Sea. First is also incorrect one, because Guyana Highland is located on north part of South American continent. Hence our final answer for this question will be C, that is 3 only. Now question number 4. Question 4. Which of the following region river flow is our below Tropic of Cancer? First, River Narmada. Second, Dandkaranya region. Third, Aravalli region. And fourth, Banas River. So here we will have to find out which of the above code is our correct one. We have option A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 to 4, and D, 1 only, right? Now here as we can see in the map that Tropic of Cancer passed through this state. So from the map he can say that Banas River is located above the Tropic of Cancer, whereas Narmada River and Dandkaranya region is located below the Tropic of Cancer. Here we have Aravalli range, which is also above the Tropic of Cancer. Hence we can say that our final answer for this question will be A, that is 1 and 2 only, because here river Narmada and Dandkaranya region are below the Tropic of Cancer, whereas Aravalli range and the Banas River are located above the Tropic of Cancer. Now question number 5. The Strait of Gibraltar link first Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, second Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, third Caspian Sea and Black Sea, and D, Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea, right? So important strait of the world are very much important considering our UPSC prelim examination. So here in the map as we can see that Gibraltar Sea link Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea, right? Here we have Strait of Gibraltar, right? So we can say that our final answer for this question will be D, that is Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. So this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can also solve rest of 5 question by clicking link below in description. So see you soon in next video. Thank you.